Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I'm Kinchal Sunchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel Case StudyZone. This is the 20th tutorial of Probability, chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session, we discussed about 7th sum from exercise 15.1 and in this session, we will discuss about 8th sum from that. So don't waste the time starting the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, exercise 15.1 and in that 8th sum. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next, it's 8th sum to distance in kilometer of 40 engineers, means total outcomes here 40. From their place of work were found as follows, means for possible outcomes you should get numbers from that. First of all, I have written here all these numbers in ascending order, so you can find easily any number. So what is the empirical probability that an engineer leaves? First question is less than 7 km from her place of work. Less than 7 km, I have written here 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6 and total numbers are 9. Second question, more than or equal to 7, means we can include 7th number, right? So 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that, and the numbers, all numbers are 31. Because of less than 7 it's 9, total numbers are 40, so 40 minus 9 equals to 31. And third question is within half kilometer from her place of work, but here there is no any number like that, so answer is 0. So starting the answer, total engineers 40 means total outcomes 40. Numbers I have written here less than 7 and more than or equal to 7. And possible outcomes for first one less than 7 km equals to 9. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 9 divided by 40 equals to 0.225. Now second question, more than or equals to 7, it's 40 minus 9 equals to 31. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 31 divided by 40 equals to 0.775. And the third question, within half kilometer equals to 0 because there is no any number like that. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 0 divided by 40 equals to 0. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye-bye.